In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload image to Kling AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to sign in, and how to place your image in the right library so it's ready to use in your projects. First, open your browser and go to the Kling AI app. This is the workspace where you can generate images and videos with AI, and it's where your personal asset library lives. If you're using a work or school computer, make sure your network doesn't block the site. On the welcome page, choose Sign in with Google. Kling AI uses Google for authentication, which keeps the process quick and secure. Pick the Google account you want to use for your creations. If you see a prompt asking for permissions, review them and then click Continue to proceed. You might be asked to verify your identity. Just follow the on-screen instructions from Google and you'll be taken back to Kling AI automatically. Once you're in, look toward the navigation and open the section labeled Assets. This is your centralized library for everything you upload or generate. Think of it as your filing cabinet inside Kling AI. Keeping things organized here makes future projects much faster. Inside Assets, switch to the Uploads area. This view filters the library to only show files that you've brought in yourself, like reference photos, logos, or textures. It's the ideal place for managing the images you want to reuse across multiple prompts or compositions. Now click the Upload button. Your file picker will open so you can select the image from your computer. Choose the file you want to add and confirm. While it uploads, you'll usually see a progress indicator. Larger images will take a bit longer, so be patient and avoid closing the tab until the upload finishes. For best results, use clear, high-resolution images in common formats like JPG or PNG, and keep file names descriptive so you can find them later. If the upload doesn't start, double-check your internet connection or try a smaller file to rule out size limits. When the upload completes, you'll see your image appear in the Uploads list with a thumbnail. That means it's now stored in your Kling AI account and ready to be inserted into prompts, referenced in workflows, or reused across different projects without re-uploading. And that's all you need to do. You went to the Kling AI app, signed in with Google, opened Assets, moved into Uploads, and used the Upload button to bring your image into your library. Thanks for watching and happy creating.